First off, I wanna thank all my haters. You made me so strong. This is my dream. Pushers is on my team.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Cleopatra. Welcome. So today I am back with another video, and I'll be unboxing my Dymo label writer 4XL. I've been wanting this device like over 2 years now. I thought somebody would have saved me. However, nobody did. I had to save myself. As usual. So I got this. To be honest, I already opened it because I was so excited and you guys was taking too long. So I put everything back so I can unbox it with you. So I paid $227.08 for this device. I think it was $179.99 plus $29.99 for 2 years warranty, so it came up to $227. That's not bad. I thought I would have gotten a better sale deal because it's around Black Friday, but nah, I don't believe in that. Let's open it up and see what we have here. Ooh, this is so nice, I tell you. It is very lightweight, like it's not heavy at all. And I guess this is where you put the sticker labels. And these are maybe just some sample stuff. The thing is, I had to get this. Let me move the box out the way. So like I was saying, this is very lightweight. I love it. I'm so happy that I decided on getting it. This is the adapter. So it comes with an adapter. The only thing about this is that it's not wireless, but that's okay. It comes with a sample roll. So I definitely have to get some rolls tomorrow. And it comes with these two cards. I think this goes onto this one, and then this goes onto the computer. And so this, I don't think I'll be able to use this with my phone, right? I don't know, but we'll figure that out. I had to get this because I used to use my hand to write the labels up and everything, but what happened is I can't do that no more because I'm getting more orders as as time goes by. So it's very difficult for me to write up everything, and then I don't want to make any mistake. Like, I'm really scared of making any mistakes, so I'd rather do it with this, and then it will make things better and easier on me because I want to work smart, not hard. So $200 investment, I think it's a good investment, and I'm happy that I got it. So that's it for the unboxing. I will definitely show you guys how I set it up and how it works and everything. All right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the videos, share the videos, comment on the videos, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.